Hello friends, my name is Deepak Kaldone and you are welcome to our channel Forensic Search. In this video, we will see the expected cutoff marks of scientific assistant in Andhra Pradesh Police Forensic Science Laboratory. You all know the Andhra Pradesh State Level Police Recruitment Board has declared the result of scientific assistant in physical, chemical and biology serology in Andhra Pradesh Forensic Science Laboratory. And that result is available on this website. Number of candidates might have seen this result, and now the number of candidates are asking the what will be the expected cutoff marks for the final selection. So in this video we are discussing the expected cutoff marks of the final selection list in scientific assistant in physical, chemical, biology and serology. So this is the summary of that result, that is how many candidates are appeared and how many candidates are qualified. For example, in scientific assistant in physical there was total 1440 candidates were appeared and the qualified candidates is only 613, whereas in chemical 1037 candidates are qualified and in biology and serology total 1837 candidates are qualified. So the total candidates are qualified are 3487 and the number of vacancy for this post is total vacancy is 57 plus 1, that is 58. Here the category wise result of this post is available. That means the how many candidates in OC category are qualified, then how many candidates in BC category, AC ST category are qualified. This result is for your information only. Then here one important point is the total post of this scientific assistant. Here total posts are 57 plus 1, that is 58 posts, and this is the distribution of this post. You all know the distribution of this post. For example, the post of scientific assistant in physical, total number of posts are 11, out of which 6 posts are for general male and 3 posts for general women. Then the post of scientific assistant in chemical, total number of posts are 12, and for the post of scientific assistant in biology and serology, total number of posts are 13. So this is the distribution of this post according to the particular category. Then most important point is the qualifying marks. So in the recruitment notice that board have mentioned the minimum marks to be secured by the candidates in order to qualify in the written examination is 40% for OC candidates and 35% for BC candidates and 30% for SCs, STs and ex-servicemen. So here according to this information, for qualifying these marks, suppose any OC candidates who got the 48 and above marks, that candidates is qualified in this examination. So for OC candidates 40% means 48 and above marks, and for BC candidates if any candidate got 42 marks and above marks, such candidates are qualified, because you all know you all given this examination on 6 December 2020 and that examination is of 120 marks. So out of this 120 marks, the 40% for OC means 48 marks, 35% for BC means 42 marks and 30% marks for SCs, STs and ex-servicemen means 36 marks. So the candidates who got in that particular category, for example in OC category 48 marks and above marks, such candidates are declared as qualified candidates. And the candidates who belong in BC category who got 42 marks and above marks and the candidates who got 36 marks in SC, ST and ex-servicemen category, they declared as qualified. But here one of the most important note is this one. That means mere securing of minimum qualifying marks does not confirm any right to the candidates for being considered to the selection. So this note is very much important for the preparation of the final selection list, because in that recruitment notices the selection procedure is also mentioned. And what is the selection procedure? Selection procedure is like this. The final selection will be strictly on relative merit of the candidates in each category, obtained by them based on their total score in the written examination. And that examination is of 120 marks you have given on 6 December. So the final merit list will be prepared according to strictly on the relative merit of the candidates in each category. This point is very much important because number of candidates are asking ki what will be the final selection criteria and what is the procedure for the selection in this post. So only on the basis of the written examination of 120 marks, the final list will be prepared based on strictly the merit. So that means the candidates who got higher marks in that particular category, in that particular division, that means chemical, physical or biology, serology, that candidates will be selected on the basis of that marks. So in this video we are going to try what will be the expected cutoff marks or what be the prediction of the highest marks and what will be the chances of getting selected for how much marks. So here you know the category, that is physical, chemical and biology, serology. In the OC category, the number of posts for scientific assistant in physical is 6 plus 3. We just have seen how many posts are there. In chemical, there is 6 plus 3 posts. 6 means for male and 3 for female. And in biology and serology, there are 7 plus 3 posts. So what will be the expected cutoff marks for this category in particular division, that is physical, chemical, biology or serology? So the expected cutoff marks for OC candidates in physical may be of 90 to 95 plus marks. So in physical, because the qualifying candidates are very less as compared to in chemical and biology. So there may be the expected cutoff marks of 90 to 95 plus marks in OC category in physical. Then in chemical also 95 to 100 marks, that means 95 to 100 plus marks. If anybody got such marks, then there may be a chances of getting selected in that final list. Then in biology 100 to 105 plus marks for OC category, because the number of candidate qualified in this biology serology division is 1837 candidates. That means there may be the chances of higher merit. That means the merit of this biology and serology will be high or maybe high. So this is the expected cutoff for OC candidates. Then we will see the next for BC post. Here all the BC posts are combined and this is only for the prediction of the final merit list. So for the BC candidates, the total post in physical is 4, in chemical it is 3 and in biology serology it is 6 posts. So what will be the expected cutoff marks for BC candidates in physical? This may be 90 to 95 plus marks. That means the BC candidates who got 90 to 95 plus marks, they may be selected in the final list. Then in chemical there is a 95 to 100 plus mark, then there may be a chances of getting selected in the final list. And for biology and serology 100 to 105 plus marks. So this is the prediction for BC candidates. Then Next one is for SCs, STs and ex-servicemen post. So total number of posts for this category in physical is 5, in chemical 5, and biology and serology 6 posts are reserved for such candidates. So what will be the expected cutoff mark for these candidates? In physical there may be 85 to 95 plus. Such candidates have chances of getting selected in a final list. Then in chemical post, any candidates who got 95 to 100 plus marks, then there is a chances of getting selected in final list. And in biology, 95 to 100 plus marks for this SC, STs category students. So the total number of posts for physical we have seen 18 posts, then in chemical 17 posts, and in biology 22 posts. So this is the expected cutoff marks for a particular category in that particular division. So here one of most important note is this is the only predicted cutoff marks. This is not the final cutoff mark. Note down please, this is the only predicted cutoff marks. There may be plus or minus 5 marks may be increase or decrease based on the merit of that particular examination. So this is only predicted for the your kind information, because number of students are asking the what will be the expected cutoff marks and what is the selection criteria for this examination. So here no interview examination is kept. That's why on the basis of the examination which was conducted on 6 December of 120 marks. So on the basis of the marks obtained in this examination, there is a selection process is carried out. So this is the only predicted cutoff marks. There may be a chances of plus or minus 5 marks. That means plus or minus 5 marks may be increase or decrease depending upon that particular category in that particular division. That means physical, chemical and biology and serology. So friends, this is the predicted cutoff marks. Best wishes for selection and thanks for watching our channel Forensic Search. Thank you.